Uptown Swing, level 4, Jeremy, Naomi, we did creativity, making up your own variations. So the premise of things was we figured out what was equivalent to a step and what was equivalent to a triple step. So if we're starting with our weight over on our left step and we do something, let's say a rock step.
Okay.
We do a rock step. We end up on the same side we started on. If we do a triple step, we end up on a different side. So we made up some different variations and we tried to figure out with that little equation where they would fit, either on a rock step or a triple step. We tried Ben's variation, which I believe was 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we went around and coached people doing their own thing. Remember, put in an 8 count, put in 6 count. And your homework assignment from Jeremy was?
Do your variation,
Yep.
but change it from either the triple step to the step or the step to the triple step. Change it in some way to make that work.
What's the way we do it? Like this. Ha. Like this.
Ha.
Ha. You change your weight.
Ha.
That's it. Right.